Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training. We continue where we left off on this building on the roof. Okay, now what I want to do here is show you what I left off on. We've got our roof here, but this is just metal. So I'm going to go and look at this section view again here. So we got this metal, we want to put some concrete on it. So I'm going to select it here. And we've had no concrete here. Now I could go and add one of these other floors, so I can go that one, but I don't want to use that one. So we're going to show you how to create our own here. So basically we can select here, I want to undo that, sorry, I don't know what happened there. We can select this guy, and we can go edit type. And we always want to duplicate it. We can zoom this out. We can duplicate this. And let's call it with concrete. With, let's say with 3-inch concrete. Yeah, let's go with 2 inches. For now, and just say OK, and then we want to edit this. We've got a preview of that in here in section view, but that's fine. Shouldn't look like that. So here I want to insert another layer. I'm going to move that guy up, up, down one, and then I want to select this, and I want to make this a lightweight concrete. So there we have a lightweight concrete. I'm going to go OK here, and then I'm going to give that, I think we said 2 inches here. Yeah, we're going to have 2 inches, just 2. And we're going to go OK here. I don't know why that's not showing up in my preview. Okay, let's try that again, see what's going on. Okay, there you go. So I'm happy with that, or we might even make it 1 inch. And we can have any type of material up here we want. It can have regular roofing or whatever. But for now, let's go with this, just for time's sake, and go OK here. Apply, and OK. So now we have our roof, but I think we want to move this again now. So I'm going to select it. And properties. OK, come on now. Grab this here, and I want to push this up just a little bit. Let's say 3 inches. That's good enough. Or maybe let's go 3.5. Apply. Okay, so now we've got our roof with our concrete on top. Or we might want to have some type of insulation, or we can make this any material we want for roofing. So I'm going to go back into this view now. Okay, so there's a roof. So now we want to slope this guy for drainage. So here what we do is we'll select this point here. Zoom in there. Let me tab to it if I can. There. Now here we've got the roof. So we want to hit modify element. You see that turns green. If I select it, it's got an elevation there of 25, 3.25. So let's drop this down just to 25 on each corner, so we can get a slope for our drainage. Then we'll do another one here. I think I have to go in there. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go around in there like this, I guess. I didn't know I had to do it this way, but okay. All right. There you go. So grab it. I'm gonna modify element here, and I'll select this, and this will be 25 as well. So you get the idea what we're doing here. We're dropping the roof down so the water can drain off I guess here we can be good. Yeah, we'll probably need some at the front, but for time's sake, I'm gonna just do these 4 sides. And then I had a question today about tags, and I wanna look at tags quickly. So here, we wanna modify this guy here, 25. Go. And this one here. I don't want to look at this in plan in section view. Go 0 here. And I think we've got them all. Nope. So we have our slope roof now. We got our roof done here. So let's go back and look at my roof framing plan here. So there's my roof. Look at my section view, see what's going on. Not too bad. Didn't make too much of a difference there because we didn't slope, and that's just going to be a variable there. So here, back in the roof, and now my 3D view. So there's my roof. So now, probably needs to go up a little bit more to get rid, to overlook that beam. So I'm gonna select it here, and I'll push it up another inch. Is that 4? Okay. So there's our roof with our slope. So now, let's go look at our architectural here now. We're in our floor plan view, and we've got our offices laid out here, basically. We've got bathrooms, a kitchen here. Got a section of that kitchen, and I got flooring in here. Sorry about that. So somebody asked me today about tags. So I've got my room tags here. So I'm gonna do my doors and my windows. So here, you want to go into your annotate, and you want to go tag by category, or you can do tag all. But for this, we're gonna do tag by category. Okay, you slap out of that again. So I'm gonna go tag by category here. We don't want a leader, and we can just select things and start tagging them here. Say like these doors, I don't want a leader though, and I'm not looking for this. I'm looking for, where is it? Where's my tag all? There it is. Okay. You get this dialog box, so you can tag everything, but just for instance, I show you. Well, I don't want to go through that because it's going to slow my computer down. So I'm going to go find my doors. I'm going to go apply, and there go all my door tags. I'll find my windows. Click apply. And as you can see, there are all my window tags. And they all basically the same size. So I'm going to apply and OK. So that's how tags work. Now, I'll show you how to go and find these tags. So basically what happens is if you say, let me see if I can find a floor tag here. I'm going to go annotate, tag all. And then I'm going to go find a floor. And I might not be loaded here. Oh, they are loaded. Okay. Okay, so now, see, here's our floor tags. There's a concrete. But I want to undo that one. I'm not ready to do that yet because I'm doing finishes here. Okay, so now, let's just undo this right quick. So now to load a tag, if you get a question or if you try to load, let me do a wall tag here. We have our doors. Yep. So what I'm going to do how you would load a tag. So if you want to find all your tags, you would go to the insert and here you will load family from Autodesk families, and they'll be found under annotations. So if you go into annotation, these are all of your tags. Curtain wall tags, mullion, furniture system tag. So if you don't know where your tags are, they will be found here right on the top. You go to annotations, click there, and there's all your tags. So hey guys, moving along here. So I got my architectural done. Next I'm going to work on the ceiling and the lighting. There's all my doors. Yep. So we're moving along here. So I'm going to leave it there. Go back to my architectural plan. So here's our kitchen, our break room with the kitchen here. And there's our kitchen elevation. And we're going to move on from there. So thanks for watching the video. Just want to update everybody on this warehouse we're working on here. We got a little ways to go. I'm going to try to fast track it like I said. But guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, be safe. Again, please subscribe. Super thanks, and help me complete these, make these videos daily, or as much as I can. I've been trying to get them done daily lately. I got my computer hung up. Sorry about this. There you go. Be safe, y'all. Bye.